Hello and welcome to my first Bitcoin YouTube update. I am Evelyn and I am very excited to start this journey with you. Please let me know in the comments if you like the video and if you'd like to go into some low time frame intraday trades that we take during the week besides from the swing ones. Or if you have any other suggestions, please let me know in the comments. Now, let's get into it. First things first, news. We have important news today and tomorrow. Today we have unemployment claims and tomorrow we'll have the unemployment rate. So be aware of the volatility around news release. Before going into Bitcoin plans, we usually go through some trades we've taken recently. Given the recent price action, aside from some intraday trades that you'll see me posting on X, the only more of a swing trade was the one from Friday, which our coach PT posted in our Discord. So let me show you the reasons behind this trade. So we had a higher time frame golden pocket starting from the lows of June 22nd to all-time high. This was our area of interest for longs for quite some time, and as you can see, price came down on 25th of August, but she didn't touch the golden pocket. We waited, price came down back again, and we entered long around here with stop loss below 707 because it was a trade that could turn into a swing. So we are not interested in posting the greatest risk reward PNL cards. We are looking to trade smart and protect our positions. So we had taken profits at yesterday highs and let the rest of the trade play for higher levels. Of course, our trade is now risk-free and we don't care what happens next because we already made money. Okay, now let's have a look at some Bitcoin trading plans for the coming days. Looking at the 4-hour time frame chart, we can see a huge range here, and we can also add the range tool to see it more clearly. And as we can see, we had a swing failure pattern above all-time high. Price went inside the range straight to EQ, spent some time here, then rejected again from EQ and went back to range lows. So let's see what can we do from here. Let's start with shorts because we love shorts in Spitfire group. We're gonna start with the fib retracement from all-time high to current lows, and as far as this area of 114 looks interesting for a scalp short, I'll treat it as a sticky zone and as an intraday maybe scalp short, because main area of interest for shorts and the best one in terms of risk reward will be 118 golden pocket and range poke of this entire range. Now I'll make this area of interest a little bigger to include a swing failure pattern of these highs. From here, if price gets above these highs, the entire move here, this zone, is pretty thin. So as far as the 886 might offer a scalp short or maybe an intraday trade, I believe we'll see a new all-time high. Above all-time high, we have the scenario of a swing failure pattern. Price goes above, gets back below. We wait for a higher time frame market structure break ideally, and from here we look for an entry short to trade it all the way back down, because this might turn into a really nice swing short, and depending on where the price will stop, we'll have our stop loss above and looking to trade it back down. These are the area of interest for shorts. Now let's look what can we find in terms of support. And for that I will use the same fib retracement from June 22nd low to all-time high, and from here, if price continues to make this slow bleed lower lows and higher lows thing that she's been doing for quite some time, and she goes down from here again, the first zone of support will be around 707.105, and you'll see in a minute why. Because if we zoom out a little more and we add a fib retracement from April's low, come on, here, to all-time high, let me be sure that this one is on the right spot, and here, if you are right, yes you are, and we add a 382 here, we have our new area of interest for longs. So this one will be the first zone around 105. Ideally, she takes these lows from July 1st, and then from here she goes up, because if she gets acceptance below these lows, the move down will be pretty quick, and 886 might be a sticky zone, but most likely she will go down to take these lows again. And if she takes these lows and we look back again, same thing, thin move here. So our next area of interest for longs, even though it looks scary right now, it will be golden pocket yearly open around 93k. This will be the first zone, and even if it looks scary now, this could be a really nice swing position to trade it back to all-time high, and it will be even more nice if price action on the way down gives us a nice three waves moves flat like this, because then we can use our fib extension tool and we can find other confluences for our zone, and yay, as you can see, we can have a 1618 here. But for now, this is crystal ball. We can also add at that point a channel, and we can find maybe a date around this area of interest, which will be November. Oh, close to my birthday. Nice. But for now, this is crystal ball. We have no idea what price will do, so we're just gonna trade level by level and we'll see how it goes. For lower targets, I don't think it's the case to go into details now, because if we move so much in a week and we go to 93k, it's like 15% move down, I'll make a Bitcoin update video if that happens. If not, when price reaches these levels, we can look for lower targets. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoy it. I hope it was clear enough for you. Let me know in the comments what you think. And take care. trade wise, and see you for the next Bitcoin update on next Thursday. Bye bye!